Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Public City Pro, a powerful tool for accessing urban data. Let's dive into its core functionalities and discover how it can benefit your projects. We'll cover everything from basic navigation to advanced features, ensuring you can confidently leverage its full potential. Get ready to unlock valuable insights and streamline your research with this comprehensive guide. Navigating Public City Pro is straightforward. Begin by using the prominent search bar to find specific addresses or data points. The interactive map allows you to zoom in and out, exploring various city areas with ease. You can also apply filters to refine your search, focusing on categories such as population density or available public services. This ensures you quickly find the exact information you need. To maximize your experience, leverage Public City Pro's powerful features. You can generate custom reports by selecting specific datasets and applying your desired parameters. The platform also allows you to compare multiple urban areas, providing valuable insights for your analysis. Once your data is ready, easily export it in formats like CSV or PDF, making it simple to integrate into your other projects. For the most effective use of Public City Pro, consider these tips. Save your frequently used searches and generated reports to streamline your workflow. Don't hesitate to explore the comprehensive tutorial section, which offers advanced tips and tricks to enhance your data analysis skills. Additionally, engage with the community forum to share insights and get answers to any questions you might have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.